First, we'll need to get the vehicle in the air on level ground. And here's the transfer case. When removing the fill plug, make sure the washer comes off with it. It's fine if a little bit of fluid spills out from the fill plug. The garage I'm working in has a slight incline, so the rear is actually lower than the front. I'm using a 3/8 to 1/2 inch drive. If you don't have an adapter for a 3/8, you can also just use a 1/2 inch ratchet. For the drain plug, you'll have to use RTV to seal the plug. Make sure to wire brush the old RTV before applying the new RTV. For the RTV, I'm using VersaChem's Mega Black High Temperature. You can also use the gray version, which is probably more preferred, but since this is the only thing I had at the moment, this is what I'm using. Torque the drain plug to 22 foot-pounds. For the transfer case fluid, I'll be using Nissan Matic J ATF. There are other alternatives too, just make sure it's the same specs as Matic J. If you're going to the dealership and ask for Matic J, do not let them sell you Matic S. Matic S does supersede Matic J fluid, however, that only applies to the transmission itself and not the transfer case. So putting Matic S in the transfer case will ruin it. After 1.3 liters or so, it should start overfilling from the fill plug. Remove the hose and let it sit for about 3 minutes before checking the level again. You want the level to just be at the same level at the bottom of the fill plug. Always replace the washer with the new one. Tie in the fill plug to 26 foot-pounds and you'll be all set. Thanks for watching.